Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are doing another makeup look inspired by Kuromi. I love her, I think she's so cute, and I want to do a fun costumey makeup look for her. So I'm going to be starting with the ColourPop It's My Pleasure palette. Oh my gosh, this palette, this color in the corner here always makes the biggest mess. The rest of the colors don't, it's just that one. So, yeah. Anyway, so I'm gonna start with a base of using the really light purple up in the corner here. And we're just going to do a bit of that on the outside. I'm trying a new setup today where I have a little mirror over here in the camera here. And we're gonna hope that works. Okay, so we have some purple on that eye. Okay, so now we have a purpley pink base started. Then I am going to go in with a different brush. And I'm going to use the bare minimum shade right here. Ignore the messy palette, I'm going to clean it later. And I'm going to use that on the lid. And then I'm going to take that lighter shade just to blend it a bit. I'm also going to bring it down to the lower lash line. So now we have our very pinkish purple magenta look here. I think it's very cute. So now I'm going to switch palettes. I'm going in with my big Sephora palette to use this nice little black at the bottom here. And I'm gonna use this little angled brush. And we're just gonna create a little wing with it. Now this black is gonna serve kind of as an outline because I'm gonna make it all crisp with eyeliner. But it makes a cool little shadowy effect that I like. Also gonna bring it down on the bottom a little bit. Okay, and then just gonna blend it. Okay, so now I have a cool little magenta and black look. So now, I'm gonna close my palette. I'm gonna go in with an eyeliner and we're gonna make a fierce triangular little wing. It's gonna look like her little ears and it's gonna be really cute. I'm going for quite a long wing. I think it looks cool. And I'm gonna take the eyeliner along all the way to the inner corner. Sorry if I am out of frame. I am blind without my glasses on, so I have to be like an inch away from the mirror. Okay, and now that we've brought it all the way around, I'm gonna repeat it on the other eye. Okay, so off camera, I finished the other eye, and I added a little more purple and black just to create this kind of like grungy shadow look, which I really like, and I think it's very fitting for her. I like that it's cutesy, but also edgy, which I think works very well. So now I'm gonna go in with eyeliner and we're gonna do like some little triangles under the eye, 2 on each side, so it matches her little collar, like in this one. There's one. Very cute. And there's two. And now I'm going to repeat that on the other eye. Okay, so that's both eyes done. And now I'm just gonna go up here and do like a little zigzag. Very cute. And that's both eyes done with that. And then I'm going to take a white eyeliner and just add a little bit of highlight to that. And then I am just gonna go back in with black just to make it a little more visible. So my eyeliner is kind of drying out, so I'm just gonna go in with this little pot one instead. And one more layer of the white because that brush I was using is too big. Cute. And now I'm going to just repeat that on the other eye. And there is both eyes done with that. So now I'm gonna go on the bottom little triangles and I'm gonna do some little dots like her ears have on the end of them. There's that eye done, and then I'm gonna repeat on this eye. I'm on to eyeliner number 3 because apparently none of my eyeliners want to be my friend today. That's better. Okay, and there are those duns. Duns? What are words? And then I'm just gonna add some little polka dots up on the top because I think that would be fun. Just gonna add one right there too. Very fun, very cute. I'm also just gonna put one on the little inner corner. Cool. And then I'm gonna go in with this Super Shock ColourPop palette and just add a little glitter to the top. Just using my finger. Just for a little more sparkle. Cool. And then since her little skull is so iconic, I'm gonna do a little skull on both sides in this empty area. 1 and 2. I messed that one up a little bit. Fixed it. That one looks kind of like a jellyfish. It's okay. And that is the eye look. And now we have to do the rest of my face. So I'm gonna start with some very pink blush. And we're just gonna blush it up. Ah, no, my skull. It's okay, we saved it. I thought that was dry, and it was not. We're gonna do a little pink nose like she has, because I think that's cute. And then I'm going to go in with that black eyeshadow again and just fill in my brows. I don't have a black eyeshadow pencil, or what's the word I'm looking for? Eyebrow pencil, or anything like that, so eyeshadow and a lot of setting spray works. And I want it to be quite angled. I think that's fitting. Side I can't bring up quite as far because my piercing's in the way. I'll just bring that side down a bit so they're a little more even. Cool. And now I'm gonna spray a bunch of setting spray so that stays. I'm also going to use that same Super Shock shadow to just make a bit of highlight. I love sparkles. You know what? It wouldn't be a me look unless there were copious amounts of glitter. And then finally, well, almost finally, I need to do mascara, which I don't think I got out. Oops. Now I got my mascara, so I'm just gonna put on a bit of that. I'm not gonna do false lashes. Can't talk. I'm not gonna do false lashes today because I feel like it would cover up the look. Lashes And then finally, we're gonna do some bright pink lips. This is one of the ColourPop Sailor Moon collection ones. I'm gonna put my glasses on so I can actually see the look. Now, how on earth did I get eyeliner all the way down here? Cute. And then I'm just gonna put a bit of gloss over the lips. Wow, this matches that Super Shock shadow perfectly. Sparkly! And that is the finished look. I decided that black hair would look really nice with it, so I added a cute little wig. Here's the look up close one last time. I think it looks super cute and is very Kuromi-esque. Please like and subscribe if you liked the video, comment if you like this look or if you have ideas for future videos, and I will see you again soon. Bye bye!